Hey guys, it's your girl Linda, aka Mid-Size Morena. Yes, and I'm here today with you to do an unboxing video. Probably going to be my very favorite unboxing video because I'm going to be unboxing this wig that I'm currently wearing right now. And you're probably thinking, how are you going to unbox this wig, Linda? You already have it on your head. And it's because I bought a second, okay? That's how much I love this wig. So, before I get into it, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos and comment and tell me, what do you love about what I'm doing? What do you think I can do better? Let me know what you want to see. Are you interested in more of my work wigs kind of style? Are you more interested in my budget friendly incognito styles? Do you like long wigs? Tell me what you want me to try and I'll see if I can do that for you. Okay? Okay. So without further ado, like I said, I love this wig. I get so many compliments on this wig. Okay, honey, this wig, when I first got it from Amazon, when I first got this wig from Amazon, as soon as I put it on my head, I ordered another one. Like, didn't even adjust it to my head. It didn't even do, no, I put it on and I said, girl, I need a spare. This wig is life. I wear it to work. People ask me, Linda, did you cut your hair? And I laugh because I'm like, I did cut my hair. My natural hair is this long, but this is a wig. Okay. But you can't tell. It's so thick. It's so thick. And it doesn't come with much of a shine. I did put foundation on the part just to make it for the tall people who look down on top of my head. I didn't want them to be like, oh, that's a wig. So I did do that. But this wig is the G&T brand. And when I purchased it, the first one I purchased was $16.99 and it had a 30% off coupon and it came with something free. The second one I purchased was also $16.99. It had a 30% off coupon and it came with something free. And the third one I purchased, I bought three. The third one I purchased, I actually purchased for my mom because she and I both like the same kind of color and same kind of style on our wigs. So she got one too. And everywhere I go, I'm like, for my wig wearers, this one is it. Get two, don't buy one. I'm telling you, buy two. Buy two. So without further ado, we're going to try this wig on because I already have this one on. It doesn't make sense to take it off and put the same one back on. So I brought Wigney. Yeah, her name is Wigney. Like Whitney, but wig because she's gonna be wearing a wig. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. But yeah, I'll show the wig on Wigney, and let's get going. And just so you know, I'll put the link to this wig in the description box. The promotion, I reached out to the manufacturer or to the company that was selling the wig, and they told me for the next couple of months the wig will be $16.99 with a 30% off coupon. As far as the promotion of getting stuff for free, I don't know how long that'll last. As I said, when I bought the first one, I got something different for free than when I bought the second one. But as of today, they're still selling the wig for 30% off with what I got next. But I'll show you that. So, unboxing this wig. Here's the wig in a Ziploc bag. And it comes with a little, basically like a thank you card from G&T Wig. Again, they're on Amazon. And this wig's not even, I don't think it was $12. It came with wig caps in black. Okay, that's a big deal for me because sometimes I get wig caps in like beige, like nude, and I'm like, nude for who? nude. Your nude is not my nude. But it came with the actual wig cap and not the little mesh one, so super excited about that. And in the bag, it also comes with a pair of MAC lashes. Get that up there so you can see. These are not the lashes that I'm wearing. These are actually magnetic lashes. If you're interested, I can post the link to those as well because I also purchased these on Amazon. But these ones do come with the MAC lashes. And because I bought 2 of these wigs, I have 2 of everything I just showed you. So the first time I purchased the wig, it had a 30% off coupon, like I said, and it came with 4 free headbands. And I just brought, you know, the headbands just to show you. I've only worn one of them so far. But I'm not going to make a big deal about these ones because they sold out of the headbands, and so you can't get these ones anymore. But what you can get now is some pearl hair pins, okay? So the baggie that it comes in is this little pink little baggie. And I believe there's, what, 8 of these little hearts, a little rectangle, a little bow, a rectangle with a square cut out, a crown, wait a minute, a crown, some hearts. You can't really see that one. This one's hearts, and there's more. Just a regular little one that you wear with just a little random string of pearls, and then a thicker one. There you go. See that a little bit better. So your choices are right now, if you purchase this wig today, are to get this set of pearl hair clips, or they have some that have words on them. For me, I am in my 30s and I don't need writing on the side of my head, personally. Some people might be in their 40s and want writing on the side of their head, but that's, I don't want that. So I chose those clips, which, you know, considering they were, I think they sell them for $6.99. So you think about it, the wig is $16.99. It's 30% off. So that's what, $4.80 off. Something. My math is wrong. Don't quote me on that. But it's cheap. After shipping, after tax, it's shipped for free because I have Amazon Prime. After taxes and my coupon for getting all of these, for all of the little headbands for free, I don't even think I spent $13. Okay. So anywho, let's get this wig out the bag so you can see again. You see it on my head, but I've already done the dry shampoo with this. I've already plucked that part. I've already it's already been worn in, so it's not going to be the exact same because again, this is my favorite and I wear it often. So as I said in all my other videos, if you don't plan on wearing your wigs that often and you're looking for a way to store them, just keep the baggie that they came in, keep the little mesh, and keep the little paper that comes in it. And that's the way the manufacturer sent it, so that's the way I store the ones that I don't wear very often. If you would like to see how I store the ones that I do wear often, I can do a video on that. So this wig by G&T has 2 clips in the front, and it has the adjustable straps in the back. This one's quite large, or maybe my head is small. I don't think, my mom might think my head is small, but I have to wear this wig all the way to the middle, which also has a clip in the back. I forgot to show you that. I have to wear the adjustable band all the way towards the center where the closest that they meet, and it fits snug. I don't even have a wig grip on underneath this. This is just all wig and all wig cap underneath. Okay, so it has the whatever, this is the kind of cap I like underneath because the air passes through it and I don't get hot. And I have a head full of hair. I wear wigs and I live in the desert, and head full of hair plus wig plus desert equals I'm pulling this off when I get in the car, and I haven't had to do that with these kinds of wigs. So now let's put this wig on Wig Me so you can kind of get a better look of the wig that's also on my head, but on Wig Me. So this wig color is 1B30. I love everything about this wig. It's 1B30. It says it's 14 inches. I would say this one's 14 inches. You can look at the ends. The ends look pretty natural. You know, I didn't have to do any cutting towards the ends. I didn't have to do any shaping. I didn't even cut these bangs. I left the bangs as is, and I just spread them to the side to get them out of my face. Just, you know, for convenience. But sometimes I want them split. Sometimes I just wear them to the front. It just really depends on if I'm wearing my glasses that day or not. But yeah, you can't hardly see through this. This is one of the most dense wigs that I have purchased from Amazon. That, like I said, it's not so thick that it looks like it's unnatural, but it's not thin for it being cheap, for it being the price that it was. You would have thought that you'd have gotten a less dense wig. If I had to guess the density, 130, maybe. It's about, I would say 130, maybe 150. Like I said, you can't see through it. You see the light from my video, and you don't see through this, not at all. The part naturally is on the thin side, but you know, I just plucked mine out just a little bit because no one, unless you're taller than me, which I mean, a lot of people are, no one's really looking at the part when it's this far back. But just for the sake of wanting to keep things looking natural, I definitely put foundation. I put my winter color foundation, you know, when the winter you're like a little bit lighter. I put my winter foundation on that part just to make it more believable. It feels like human hair. Like it feels like a fresh relaxer, but on someone that has just thick hair. It's not bone. It doesn't feel bone straight. Like some wigs I've tried have that like silky luster. Like it doesn't look natural, or at least it doesn't look natural on me. And this one, I just felt that with how straight it is and how thick it is, and it doesn't have that, you know, glossy whatever. I don't even know how to describe it. I just know that, like I said, as soon as I put this on and I started running my fingers through my hair, it didn't hardly shed. And some synthetic wigs shed like crazy. This one does not. I maintain it with my synthetic wig detangler, and I brush it at the nape of the wig. And that's with any wig. Definitely make sure you're detangling the nape, especially if it's synthetic, and especially if it's, you know, a lower quality synthetic. Make sure you're working at the nape of that neck so that you don't ruin your wig, because sometimes if you catch it in the beginning, it'll save you the headache in the end, because most of these wigs can be washed properly and brought back, and if it gets too tangled and you're not taking care of it, you might not be able to bring it back. But this one I bought two just because I was afraid with the sale, and when people realized how great it was, I was afraid that I would never be able to find this one again. So I bought a second one, and I bought one for my mom, like I said. So anyway, this is the G&T brand. I'll link their Amazon page in my description box below, and let me know what you think. This is the only wig I own two of. Let me just be completely honest. This is the only one I own two of. And I wish I owned more. I wish I was really just into straight hair every day, or else I probably would have, you know, three of these just to rotate them out, just to keep it lasting longer. But I did purchase the second one, and I mean, I might go buy another one. Because, like I said, for $16.99 and 30% off, and they're giving you a free gift, like, honey, you need to go buy two. I am not playing. Like, when you get it in, if you only purchase one, you run that risk because you're going to be like me, like, oh my, I need another one. It's a great work wig. If you're looking for something to wear to work, if your hair's shorter, or you're like me and you're lazy and you just don't really want to do your natural hair, it's a great work wig. I get so many compliments. I get so many compliments of people thinking it's just actually mine. So show you Wigney one more time in the front with them bangs, girl. Wigney with her bangs. So, anywho, if you like this wig, again, I'll put the link in the description box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my page, comments. Like, I love comments. I love feedback. Like, tell me what you think of this wig. Go buy this wig and tell me what you think of this wig. Like, tell me that you don't regret it. Like, I need someone else to tell everyone else that I'm not crazy. This wig is life. It is life. So, anywho, like I said, just like this page, like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, share it with someone who needs help. Just share it, you know, give a little bit, you know, buy it for someone you love, you know, buy it for someone you hate who needs the help, you know, just buy it. Like, I believe this is the only one that you so far are going to hear me just say buy two. Okay, buy two. So, anywho, y'all stay blessed. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Y'all have a good one. And say bye, Whitney.